How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make your geometry dash way smoother. Now, this can work for something like phone devices, your computers, and etc. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually close some background applications. So if you're like me who likes to open a lot of tabs, for example, I have my CapCut right here. I have my folders open up. I have my Chrome tab, which will take a lot of our resources. If you're on your mobile phones, that's going to be the background applications. The first thing that you want to do is to just close everything out and make sure that you leave enough resources for Geometry Dash to run smoothly. Right after, there's nothing much to do but to update the phone's firmware. So this ensures that it will be compatible with the game itself, basically running it a lot smoother, because having an outdated drivers or firmware can actually make updated softwares run less compatible or just way slowly. From there, head over to the geometry dash setting, click on graphics, and the first thing that I recommend is editing the texture quality itself. So instead of using something like high, you want to use medium or low. Head over to advanced, make sure that the smooth fix is enabled. Now with this one, it makes some optimizations that can reduce lag, and that's going to be it basically. Once again, most of the changes are going to be from the actual closing of the applications on the background itself, allowing more resources to be allocated onto our game. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.